Hello guys, welcome to Canvas Window Art channel. Today we'll be trying to practice a human skull. Practicing human skull will help us to learn about portrait very properly. So here we will try to draw a human skull. To draw a human skull, I made a simple circle here, and then it was converted into a oval kind of a shape divided into two equal portion, and then I made a line for the placement of the eyes, and this line is for the thickness of the placement of the eyes, because without the flesh it will be a kind of a hollow space there. So that is a mark for the nose, and a mark for the upper jaw, and here the lower jaw starts, and the lower jaw ends there. Here is the placement of eyes. It will be a kind of a hollow space there. A space for nose. Without the flesh, there won't be a much. There will be a structure, skull form. If you understand the skull form, it is very easy to draw the portrait. And here the upper jaw connected to the head, and the lower jaw is separated from the upper jaw. It is separated because of the movement. We have to move the lower jaw up and down, then only we can speak and swallow the food. So the lower jaw is separated from the head. So this is the portion for the teeth. Just I placed teeth there. Lower jaw added. I made it very simple from the realistic, from the real skull. I made it, I simplified the skull form to draw a rough sketch to understand a simple skull form. when we draw a simple sketch like this, we can later you can convert it into a portrait very easily. Try understand the dimension of the skull so that it is easy to render the light and shade into the portrait. And here I am using a hatching technique to shade the picture. Using the same direction, stroke will help us to present the drawing very neatly. I'm using a charcoal pencil here to draw the picture. Separate the dimension with the low value and the dark value. So this is a professional study to draw a portrait. Not only to the portrait, any form, any object, if you want to study properly, you need to understand what is there inside as a structure. Each and every object or animal or birds or whatever may be organic or geometrical object is having a structural form inside. So as an artist or a designer, you need to understand the basic structure of any object so that you can draw anything very easily. So here we have almost separated the shading portion. Wherever you want dark or light separated, almost we have completed the rough skull drawing. So this can be very easily convert to a portrait. After learning this, you can easily convert it into a portrait. Now we'll try to draw the portrait, how the rendering portion, how the shading portion is working on the portrait now. So here we are making a portrait again with the same proportion. Same guidelines to be followed. Now here skin is overlapped on the skull. Flesh covered the skull now. So you are making a flesh on the skull. But the dimension will be the same. So till the eyebrow, here on the skull we have a hollow portion for the eyes, and here it is covered till the eyebrow. Now here I have shaded to show the dimension or the depth. So try to observe the object, any object, it may be a living thing or a non-living thing. Try observe it as a transparent manner. Just try to see through the object. just place the eyeball also, and trying to adding ears. Ears are separated. It's a kind of a muzzle. I mean, it's as a skin. It won't be there in the skull. It's a external portion from the head. Now I added a hair portion little above the skull. Okay, so this is how you can very easily learn anything by observing the object transparently, so that see through the object. It may be any object. All right, I hope you like this video tutorial. We will meet again with another simple tutorial. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment to get more videos. Thank you.